Welcome to Capybara Cafe, a magical forest retreat where cute capybaras hang out, relax, and enjoy yummy snacks.
Get this right this time, okay? See the symbol? You want the apple. The green apple. I got it. Go, give him coffee.
Grab your friends and jump into this fun world. You'll race to serve the perfect treats to hungry capybaras before time runs out. Your speed and memory will be put to the test as the challenges get harder.
There's the orange.
I get the tomato. Somebody get the tomato.
But there's more. You can jump around to find hidden coins, unlock surprise gifts, and even take a stroll or try some parkour in the world. You can play on a phone or in virtual reality. Mobile players, keep track of up to 5 items, your time, how many snacks are left to serve, and your XP right on the screen. Inside the cafe, the game switches to a first-person view, so it's easier to grab items. Outside, a third-person orbit view helps you find your way. You'll also get fun messages from the cafe's adorable capybara manager.
Good job. We did it.
If you run out of time, your character will collapse from exhaustion. Running a cafe is hard work. VR players. The experience is also designed for a headset and Quest controllers. You can grab items with both hands and keep track of your XP, served snacks, and time with a simple screen overlay. Important messages, like when a round starts or ends, pop up in front of you.
Hurry, hurry. Okay, I get the pie. Hurry, everybody.
The game is very social. While you can play solo, the game is even better with friends. Teamwork helps you last longer and earn more XP. If you enjoy competition, check out the leaderboards for the top scores of the day, week, or all time. Players who spend a lot of time in the game are rewarded too.
Go, go, go. Run!
At its heart, the game encourages empathy and nurturing, rewarding you with the capybara's happiness. Join the fun at Capybara Cafe, the happiest place to relax, play, and spoil these adorable creatures.
That was close, everybody.